serving my country, Nigeria. I was at Ovom Ama Asa Secondary School, Bingwa Local Government, Aba, Abia State, when the precious gift came, a bouncing baby boy from the love of my heart, Olakemi Sulia, a motherly wife, my host in Abia State, and bosom friend, Alex Nwaiwe, now Honorable Alex Nwaiwe, promptly named him Chibuzo, God for. The baby came at a time my alma mater, Ladoke Akintola University of Technology, Ogbomoso, sent me a letter of appointment as a graduate assistant to take effect from the expiration of my service year. So, ladies and gentlemen, that time, Ayodimiji Chibuzo Ayodeji was a gift dedicated to God for his mercies upon my life as an orphan who had nobody but God Almighty. So, Chibuzo Ayodeji was named Abdullah, a concept of dedication to God Almighty. Abdullah was a chief of the old block, just like my goat-keeping passion in football. This lad took interest in football right from childhood. Once he has a glimpse of photographs of Daniel Amokachi, Emmanuel Amuneke, Kanu Nwankwo, or Austin J.J. Okocha on Complete Football magazine or newspaper, he will just be all smile, beaming, and cackling with laughter. I do ask myself, was it because he was named Chibuzo that I came to fall in love with these football legends from the eastern part of Nigeria? To enjoy reading my newspapers and Complete Football magazine, I had to laminate photographs of all Super Eagles stars for my little Chibuzo. Little wonders why my Chibuzo loved Neymar while in Barcelona. And shortly after, Lionel Messi became his hero, a super hero. My boy became merciless. Oguntola Ayodeji Abdullah opted for accounting as a profession. This guy is cool, calm, and collected. This guy is sociable, lovable, and passionately religious. He is equally shy like his dad. Abdul can be very accommodating. His trust in human beings is to a fault. I hooked his mother while in secondary school. All I know is that this guy has a friend in United Arab Emirates. I leave you guys to do the maths. Well, Abdul is grown up now. That little kid is grown up now. The guy has started beating my record. Today he sent me a message that he will be boarding a flight. I remembered my good old days while I was like him. Back then, when I was of his age, hours, was looking up at the sky, seeing a tiny object moving, and we raised our voice. Bàálù tó ń lọ, bá mi kíyèmí ẹlẹ́kọ, ẹ̀kọ́ méjì tó fún mi. Óyó mi o, óyó mi, bàálù fòdò, labalábá fòdò, bá nǹkan bọ̀ o. As you fly across the globe, Abdul, my ardent prayer for you is for all your lofty dreams to be accomplished. May God grant all the lofty desires of your heart. You shall rule the world. I love you. Olakemi Labake loves all your brothers and sisters, all your kinsmen. They all adore you. Keep making us proud. Congratulations, my boy. Congratulations, bros. Ìgbà ọdún kan ni o. Abdullahi Ayodeji Oguntola ọmọ Ògún àjọ, ìwọ lọmọ orí oṣó, ọmọ àṣìàwọ̀, ọmọ àjíǹde Ògún, ìwọ lọmọ ṣoògùn ṣe kékeré àdó, ọmọ lálùpọ̀n lóbìnrin ọ̀wá gba iṣu mú tọrọ, ìwọ lọmọ òfin kankan jíṣẹ́ àwọn èèyàn. Olówó òdú ilé bàbá tó bí ẹ lọ́mọ, ìwọ lọmọ ajíbọ́sìn, ọmọ ètò ìjà, ìwọ lọmọ ajífẹ́pẹ́ ṣeré, ará òwúkì, ìrànrọ̀ àwí mẹ́nu kúrò nítòwú ọmọ lábẹ́rìnjọ, ìwọ lọmọ ìwó lódò ọba, nílé Odídẹrẹ́, ẹyẹ ire, ìwó tí ò nílẹ̀kùn, bẹ́ẹ̀ náà ní kọ́kọ́rọ́, ẹrú wẹ́wẹ́ náà fi ń délé níwó ọmọ lódò ọba. Ìwọ lọmọ bàbá olóyè mẹ́fà, ọmọ aṣíwájú ọ̀dọ́, ọmọ máyégún, ọmọ àgbákin, ìwọ lọmọ ọ̀túnba fìmọ̀gbóyè, ṣébí ìwọ lọmọ olú ọmọ, ìwọ lọmọ jagunmólú akì nílé bàbá kámá nílé ìyá, ìwọ lọmọ ọmọ tó kèṣe, ìwọ lọmọ ọmọ tó kèṣe ìwó lódò ọba. ọmọ tó kèsì ọmọ Ṣòun l'Ògbómọ̀ṣọ́ ọ̀rẹ́ Ìbíkúnlé Jobioro Takandemu sọ congratulations, have a fantastic birthday celebration.